Hello champs, how are you all? I'm sure you're doing absolutely great. In today's session, we are going to talk about the long vowel sound E. Okay? So, long E as in B. Do you know what is a bee? Yes, that stings and that gives us honey. Correct. So, long E as in B. Great. Now, let's move forward and see some other words which include long vowel sound E. Okay? So, the first word is seed. Seed. Yes. Now, the next word is feet. Feet. Yes. The next word is tree. Tree. Now, the next word is, you can guess this word. What is left behind when we have a banana? Peel. Great. Peel. The next word is wheel. Wheel. Right. And the last word is green. Green. Yes, you are doing great. So now let's move forward towards the phonic drill. Now we look towards the first group of words which are having AL at the end with the vowel sound of E before them. Okay? So the words are meal. M-E-A-L. Meal. Okay? Next word is real. Real. R-E-A-L. Yes. The next word is seal. S-E-A-L. Seal. The next word is heel. Heel. H-E-A-L. Heel. Okay? And the last word for this group is deal. D-E-A-L. Deal. Great! I'm sure you're repeating this after me, right? You will have a great learning experience, okay? So now, let's move towards the second group of words. This group of words is having the consonant D at the end with the long vowel sound of double E, okay? So, the words are weed. Weed. W-E-E-D. W-E-E-D. Okay? So, the next word is feed. F-E-E-D. F-E-E-D. The next word is deed. D-E-E-D. D-E-E-D. The next word is need. Like you need something, you need someone. Okay? Need. N-E-E-D. And the last word for this group is read. R-E-E-D. R-E-E-D. So now you can see that this group was having the consonant D at the end in all the words, right? So for the next group of words, we are having consonant P at the end with the long vowel sound of E. Okay? Let's begin. The first word is beep. Beep. B-E-E-P. Beep. Right. The next word is jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Great. The next word is keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. The next word is deep. Deep. D-E-E-P. And the last word is weep. W-E-E-P. Weep. Right. So this was all for the phonic drill. Now let's move further towards the reading part because reading is learning. Okay. So now let's read together. Make sure you repeat after me. Okay? Let's begin. Devi loves to eat cheese. Repeat. Davy loves to eat cheese. He always says, more please. He always says, more please. Cheese makes Davy happy. Cheese makes Davy happy. He even eats cheese with gravy. Repeat after me. He even eats cheese with gravy. Right. Now towards our next sentence. Don't ever touch his cheese. Don't ever touch his cheese. He will call you a thief. He will call you a thief. Great. I'm so proud of all of you. So now you have to read it once again all by yourself so that you can learn this concept by your heart. Okay? So make sure you practice this. Now we'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.